Hello. Hello.
My customer.
Please. I'm not in that mood. I'm not
Sitting
in that mood.
Sitting greetings. Yeah.
Odogu Bubu. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Odogu Bubu. Shebi, you told me that you are the best seller in Nigeria. Is that not what you told me? Is that not what you told me?
I did not say in Nigeria. I said in Onitsha.
Oh. Odogu Bubu, now me you do this kind of thing. Now
what happened?
I told you that I brought material to you. I told you that I'm going for my ex wedding. My ex wedding. You later you sold this rubbish. Look at the nonsense you sold for me, Odogu Bubu. Something like this. Look at this one now. The breast is showing. I told you to open my breast. Let it show. Let it show very well. You just sold. Look.
What happened to this clothes now? Promise.
Just imagine, just my ex wedding, no.
Calm on down. Let me understand you. Calm on down. Let me understand you. The first picture you sent, and the clothes I saw is the same thing. It's just that that first picture, the girl have small place. Your place is bigger.
Okay.
So your place is bigger. So the place now block up the pad, you know. I can see it here now. I can see the clothes you're talking about.
Okay. Wait, Oshebi, my breast is bigger. The damn part. If you get this damn part, what? Oh Jesus! You even told me that you don't need my measurements. You don't need this damn part. Is it the same thing? Just tell people to come and look at it. Hey. Look at this girl. Her own now came up. It came up small. Look.
Promise, wait, let me explain to you. You know, in the picture you sent, let me explain to you now. In the picture you sent, the girl was crossing her leg. That is what makes the design perfect. But if you spread your leg, cross your leg, you will see that the design will cross. Cross your leg.
Now me, you disgrace like
and
this.
And you see, promise, watch the leg of the picture you sent. The girl is fair naturally. But your own leg, you bleach. How do you bleach? So the beauty comes not show well. Promise.
Okay. Wait. What does the guest color has to do with the design I sent to you? What does it has to do? See designs. Just like no. There is I told you long sleeve. Odogu Bubu long sleeve. Look at the rubbish, the nonsense. Oh, see that material. I bought it 1 year.
It is long sleeve.
5,000 naira.
It is
1 year. 5,000 naira, and it is 6 years I gave you. Just back for everything. Send my money to me. If you don't want problem this December, just look at
it is long sleeve. It is long sleeve. If you iron it will be longer. It is long sleeve.
These two things.
It's just that girl is smaller than you. Christian mother. So it is long sleeve. The thing also check on.
These two things, how do they look alike? How do they
because I'm busy, please. I'm busy, please.
If you don't want both of us to have issues, just calculate 5,000 in 6 places.
Because I'm busy. It's from your body. It's from your body. I gave you very nice phone. Come and call this phone.
You will not like it. Because me, you will not like it.
Feliz Navidad. It is that season of love again. The season of rice and stew. Season of jollof rice. Season of chin chin, meat pie, small chops everywhere. Season greetings from me and my team. See, this season, if you want us to give you season shout out, to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, just contact us. If you want us to wish your boss, to wish your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your husband, your wife, your child, anybody at all, we are here for you. We will do a very nice comedy video to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hello?
Hello?
Merry Christmas. Happy season greetings.
Season. What is the season of? What is the season?
When it
season
what happened?
Because my friends name numbers it's not go up the highest that they win. No,
I'm the best. More number one now. I'm number one.
ekwete m ikwa ya bụrụ ma akwa ị na-akwa nche
kefa menu
akwa eda anti m ngosi picture anti m na-akwa aka nche ka ihe bụzi ka ihe bụ nke ịkwara maka achọrọ m ịmata ụdị ka akwa ịkwara
it's the same cloth now, it's the same design now. Look at it very well now. Oh, here now.
Iya kita bo food design with ya no.
Give me kwa na akwa nkwalo gị nne.
Akwa kita no izu mwe now. Abu mwe na like a problem. Ichi konite the problem.
I don't like problem too. Abu mo nsogbu. Because do it, abu mo nsogbu.
If akwa kita give because if akwa sira apo ebe anu apo ebe ala ya anu. Rap de mana na yikwa. Biko onwa ofu ka njo diko fa aju. Ekuru akwa akụ. Kiji message so you mention
aku akwa mi aku abo
iji ntu we kwa
abo sem carpenter
akwa onye kwa akwa
my mother amarom no nne nwanyị na eyidi akwa
oga chele ona kunu na na munu ndị tell na eme chele ka nkwu okwu chele ka nkwu okwu oga na phone emekwa ngi we I don't like problem
sorry
akwa igwa kita amam ko mam ka ikwa da ko iya akwa eji eni ozu ka ngozi ikwa na akwa eji eni ozu maka chukwu asị no nwe na bai
ana makole ga akwa eji eni ozu ambulance station. If I'm able now, age difference is the thing. Akwa nkwalo ge, age the person. Age on nkwala be if a message akwa look old. You know, when a young person wears clothes, the clothes looks young. When an old person wears clothes, the clothes looks old. So it's because of the age. It's the age that makes the clothes look old. If a man or
when a young person test alamakwa. If you know, you know, you get in
akwa is because of your auntie. Your auntie ada amu. Nya was appeal. Almost appeal na picture akwa alapo. Nana amu.
Watch with him pateba or the kira akwa n'ime ike mmadụ.
Your auntie went pata so akwa me body baggy baggy jumpsuit baggy ewe iwe say the anya there say the akwa there and your auntie need kuko ko bia botu aka na ni o dey need too much if lock all about the same size.
Tell che nwanwuru tell on nyeziro na agwa mu ni.
That picture you sent me, if you watch, the girl was looking down. Your auntie was not looking down in that picture. Na come for na all this picture umwa ina ese. Na.
Bia. For you onye kpudori iwu na no ekpudori iwu na.
Because I didn't busy because see the account on collar.
Ne kwa no watela.
See the account on collar, kwa account on collar. The account on collar. I know say you love me and I love you too. I'm gonna just help me. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yam Baba Comedian. Click on subscribe, it's free. Biko, click on that bell too, and so that you get notification whenever I post. I love you too. Biko, go. Go. We are begging you, please go. Yeah, it's all on me. Ha. Correct, sir.
Sir, cool down first of all.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Odogubu, on with a
no, you're my friend. You're the only army friend I have.
Well, no, why? Have I ever in my life wronged you before?
No, now what happened now?
We discussed something. You told me that you are one of the best teller that I will ever see in the East.
I'm not one of the best. I'm the best. I'm the best teller in the East, sir.
Okay, you are even the best, right? And I said, okay, let me patronize you as my brother and a friend.
Okay. Yes.
And after that, I will still also introduce you to my military friends. Isn't that what I told you?
You said you did that, sir.
Okay, and I'll give you material for you to sew clothes for me. That I'm going to use it for. I'm going to use it for a traditional marriage of my colleague. He's a military personnel there in the East. And I now gave him the design of what I need. Two of us.
Yes.
Okay.
I saw it for you now. You.
I am seeing the clothes here now. I just finished testing the clothes. Testing the clothes right now. The clothes you gave me. And I think the LED about is not good. I told you to use a very nice design this thing on it. You now went and used LED Jacob.
Okay. You are okay. It's on my WhatsApp. You are friends on my WhatsApp.
Yes, now take your WhatsApp right now. I've done that for you now.
I've seen it. It's the same thing now. It's the same thing.
How is it the same thing? The LED yellow was on the right. Why the one you gave me was on the left? And the LED is just like LED Jacob. For what? Is that what we discussed?
No, maybe the time you wear this clothes, because like here you are looking very hungry. When you eat, you gotta test the clothes. It will fit you.
Cholu, okay,
Sorry, sir.
Wait, I'm talking. You are talking, right?
No, I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
I am talking, and you are even talking back to me, right?
No, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Don't worry.
I'm sorry, sir.
Don't worry.
I'm sorry, sir.
That's nothing like don't worry, sir. Nothing like sorry, sir. I'm coming for you. I am coming for you. Can you imagine? I just said, let me patronize you as my brother. Can you imagine? What around nonsense?
I'm not in the shop again.
Don't worry. I'm looking at your shop. Is this not your shop? I'm looking at your shop right now. I'm coming with my boss. Don't worry.
This is my friend's shop. This is my friend's shop.
Don't worry. I am coming. Don't worry. You will see me right now.
You are coming to the shop now.
Direct. Don't worry. You will see me. You will see me. Don't worry. You will see me. You will see me with my. Don't worry. You will see me.
For the year today.
Closing what? What are you closing?
I'm not talking to you, sir.
Nothing like closing. I'm coming direct to your shop right now. I'm coming to your shop right now. You will see it. Don't worry. Don't worry. You are closing. You are not closing, ba? You are not closing. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will come and patronize you physically. Oh, in a meche shop. In a meche shop.
We are closing the year. Oh yeah, no, I'm not going to you, sir.
Ibrahim. Just get ready. Just get ready right now. We are going to somewhere now. Just get ready right now. We are going to somewhere. No. Immediately. Get ready immediately.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry.
I know say you love me, and I love you too. Just help me. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yam Baba Comedian. Click on subscribe. It's free. Because click on that bell too, and so that you be getting notification whenever I post. Oh, I love you too. Because go. Go. We are begging you, please go. Oh.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Okay, sir, please. I want to come and collect my auntie's clothes. Is it ready? My auntie, my sister, the one that gave you clothes last month. She's using it on 25th. I want to come and collect it tomorrow.
It's true. And because promise, please. That material you brought that time, is it lace or ankara?
Odogu.
Is it lace or ankara? Please,
Hey, Jesus. Wait, you don't know the matter. I said the one. It's the one she gave you last month. Though.
Is it lace or ankara?
Hey, Jesus.
Is it ankara or lace?
The one she gave you last month. I want to collect it tomorrow. She's using it next tomorrow on Sunday.
I'm coming. Oh?
When should I come, sir? When is it in the morning or in the afternoon?
Is it sequence? Yeah, sequence. Just name 1 minute. Please just give me 1 minute. Oh, let me get the material. Oh?
Sir.
Ma?
Hello, sir. Sir, when she said I should ask you, she has finished paying, no? She said I should ask. Yes.
I'll get back to you. Oh? I'll call you back.
Sir, wait. Should I come now?
Come now. I'll bring it to your house. I'm going to see my dog on this. If you can now do it, I'll come to your house and bring it. Oh?
Sir, when now? She wants to use it tomorrow. Tomorrow is the wedding. She wants to use it tomorrow, sir. Well, she said I should, after work now, she just branch your shop and collect it. That is why I'm calling you, sir.
Okay. I beg you. Okay, I beg you.
Okay, sir, should I start coming now? Should I enter motor and start coming?
Network. Hello?
Sir?
Network.
Hello, sir. Sir, I'm coming. Sir, should I? Hey, shit.
Feliz Navidad. It is that season of love again. The season of rice and stew. Season of jollof rice. Season of chin-chin, meat pie, small chops everywhere. Season greetings from me and my team. See, this season, if you want us to give you season shout out, to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, just contact us. If you want us to wish your boss, to wish your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your husband, your wife, your child, anybody at all, we are here for you. We will do a very nice comedy video to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hello.
Customer, long time.
Odogutelo. Hey.
Nemo.
Oh, you have spoiled my Christmas. My Christmas. Odogutelo. Hey, Chineke.
What happened?
You clothes to sew for me. I said I want to keep back in one style. You want to give me a dollar bad boss, eh? Because of a market one. I'm an old man.
What happened to the clothes now? What is wrong with the clothes? Let me see.
Odogutelo.
Okay. I've seen it on WhatsApp now.
See, look at that clothes. Is that what I ordered for? I said I want the hand to be butterfly.
Wait first. You said you want Tokemaki in one style. And I gave you which one?
You delivered to me and Olabad also.
Whether you order for Tokemaki in one style and I gave you Eniola Badmos, two of them are athletes in Nigeria. It's the same thing. Tokemaki is an athlete. Badmos is an athlete. Just manage that one. Oh?
Odogutelo, listen to me. Listen to me, kita. I said I want my hand to be butterfly, small butterfly. What I gave me blom-blom. You gave me blom-blom. Christian.
Oh, FIFA now, butterfly and blom-blom. Two of them can fly, you know.
Odogutelo.
Butterfly and blom-blom. Two of them can just manage it. Yeah.
Keep quiet. That one aside. I tell you, say I want to be the length to be touching my leg small. Touching my leg is small. What do? You want to give me a swimmer style? Am I sweeping the whole of Lagos streets? What are you doing now?
You know that the girls like that sweeping gown. I just want to sweep you off your feet now. If I know all these men that say I'll sweep you off your feet, let me sweep you off your feet as a teller now. No, and then see, wait, let me explain to you. In the picture, the photos are the same. It's just that your own picture. You know, you will cross your leg now. If you cross your leg, the gown will close too. So cross your leg. I'm keep your cheesy keep your leg down. Keep your hand down and pose. I
want to use Andu Shakala in village meeting this Christmas. You have cut out my village meeting to Odogutelo.
You can use Andu Shakala now.
Refund me my money. Refund me my money. Refund me now. Refund me.
And then the chest too. If you watch the chest, the girl will look at the girl chest. But your own chest, and then no for na cause who do be anyway. I know for you to have free mind. You put more Obi. If go and release him from your mind so that you have a smooth chest. Oh,
hey, Odogutelo, you have killing me.
Letter. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. It is that season of love again. The season of rice and stew. Season of jollof rice. Season of chin-chin, meat pie, small chops everywhere. Season greetings from me and my team. See, this season, if you want us to give you season shout out, to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, just contact us. If you want us to wish your boss, to wish your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your husband, your wife, your child, anybody at all, we are here for you. We will do a very nice comedy video to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hey.
Please hold on.
Nenye, you not tell me before you carry this material, go give this guy. You not tell me you carry material, go give Odogumu. Odogumu, see, Mona Nenye Nokita. I did not even know that she went to give you her material, her clothes to sew. Nenye, that's when you not just tell
what
me.
Happened?
Why you not tell me? Of all people to give clothes is this man, this useless man, the whole of furniture. Or the case okay.
What happened? I saw your friend the clothes well now.
Are you seeing this picture? Are you looking at it?
It's the same thing now. It's the same thing.
Keifebu the same thing. What is the same thing? Wait, let me bring it closer. What is the same thing? Look at what she asked you to sew.
It's the same show back now. It's her back not showing. She said she wants show back. It's her back not showing.
Odogu you just ruined my clothes, my friend's dinner clothes. You just ruined it.
She said she wants to show back. It's her back not showing.
Look at the rubbish. It's not about show back. Is this two clothes the same thing? Are they the same thing?
It's the same thing. The picture is not the same thing. The other girl, will leak it. That one have nyash. Your friend, you see my phone that she has flat nyash. Your friend don't have nyash now.
You people say make you tell me you carry clothes go give Odogu. Who does that? Who does
customer.
that?
The picture is the same thing. It's just that
this is the
other picture she showed me. If you see the girl having nyash and the girl is bending down, okay, ask her to bend down like that. Go to take it. Ask her to bend down and bring down the nyash. You will see that the picture will align.
If she bend down,
yes,
if she bend down, the design will be the same.
If she bend down, she should do like she want to, bomb money. She should sport the design and put off from her. Okay, she won't show back. I give her show back. Okay,
this is the third cloth you're ruining. This is
I am the best seller in the whole of Onitsha.
Cloth. You ruined Amaka's cloth. Now this is the third one.
And their shoulder is not the same. Their shoulder are not the same. The other model were blood shoulder like a hanger. But your friend show the drop.
Why didn't you tell her you cannot make the clothes?
I did not see her shoulder where
Why didn't you just tell her? What kind of clothes do we have in this country, sir? You will show them one thing, they will show another thing.
You see my fault?
Oh, Jesus. You will show... Hey, what of me? See, I'm coming to your shop now. I'm coming to your shop. What kind of nonsense is this one? I'm coming to your shop now. As I'm dropping this call, I'm coming to your shop because I cannot take this rubbish again.
I know say you love me and I love you too. I'm gonna just help me go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yam Baba Comedian, click on subscribe, it's free. Biko, click on that bell too, and so that you get notification whenever I post. I love you too. Biko, go. We are begging you, please go. Oh my little one, Nemo.
Good morning. Na de mumma mmadụ kwere enyi nwa kwere na phone kito nda girl da lady nne ya contact gị na ka kwari akwa
ka ya menu akwa like dị akwa ibe nkwali ebe ahụ pieces
mba ọ bụ ma pieces ekwa pieces
gịda ga ebe
ya biko ya bụ ma pieces ekwata pieces biko ati ma like ati ma like problem ebe from kita agwa ye menyi nwa number gị ka kwari akwa iwe mebieri akwa di akwa if material akwa but very expensive akwa is from USA
ka akwa bere ya Islam
what in Nigeria iwe dollar piece we be akwa be ya riri
ka akwa be ya
then akwa na this cloth na iya dey back to iya kwari ya
the same thing now
only kwara akwa ala nwa ya sa because akwa ekwara on amam ka ala nwa ya sa ba amazim ko ya ke na kwara akwa
ala alia omo yan le ala alia
opuru ala onya akita na side ala onya akita na ala ekwara ebe akita ofie isikuru ge ti ya off ka ma na ala ke na akwa nka onya ala na eru na afọ
Apple picture is ended. If you look at the other picture, they're not the same size. The other girl will shape. That your friend is shapeless. Aqua am the aqua shape. Aqua lose a full shape. Okay, shape on here. Or is that shapeless? How is it my fault?
Okay. That's your fault.
And then Ejimobi on your side of the measure the aqua. Amalo mona your friend wa alababunya. Ali Elikano. So the Arabia measure the aqua obuite.
Ali Ailine Oluyanafo.
Amamale olunafo omo na wo ya lo
oye botelo mecho akwa why mecho hali ya ke ma no olu ya na because
mecho kwa me mecho I just some na anya agwa na nga akwunle ade akwa I did not measure it I just look at her I know that I can do the clothes for her
telo nke ga da mecho akwa
na ga anya ozugbo mmalo ugwu ya pikola apiko obulo foto mo
chele ka nkwu okwu chele ka ihe kwa ile onu ebe o ndị fada o se ka na-eji ichi priest ihe kwa ile ebe anu o fada ka ikwara ale fada akwa ka nwa agbo bia chọrọ ịgba Christmas ka ikwara akwa no akwa anu
ihe a nkwanye n'olu ama m mgbe njikwanye ya I don't know when I saw it ọ gịta ka m na-afụ dị ya ewere iwe ọ bụ na ihe a ga-eso okwu ka m gwapụkwana ya nụ let me cut it
ihe njikwa gị na abụla if when number goes up, man, no problem. I'm not gonna try give anybody your number again because this is not
Who do you even think you are? Please get away. Who do you think you are? Are you my God? I'm the best seller in your nature. You cannot stop me to shine. If you don't bring customer, God give me customer.
If you are not gonna image your mother, see this sorry.
Piano, pull cut on phone now. Cut on this video call.
This one,
cut this video call for me. Cut on video call. I know say you love me and I love you too. I'm gonna just help me. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yam Baba Comedian. Click on subscribe, it's free. Biko, click on that bell too, and so that you get notification whenever I post. I love you too. Biko, go. Go. We are begging you, please go. I can't get it. Season greetings. Season greetings to my customer.
Biko, season greetings. What is season greetings? Don't disturb me. Please. I can't go here. You just messed it up.
Can I come in? Which clothes is that? I'm the best seller in Onitsha. Which clothes is that?
Yeah, that blue gown that I sent to you. Check your WhatsApp. I sent the picture to you now. Check it.
Let me see. Okay, I've seen it. This picture.
Look at what you sold. See how my auntie is. Is that what I sent to you? The picture I sent to you, that girl, all the slim, all the shape hips,
you are not a girl. Let me explain to you. This is my job. I've been doing it before they gave birth to you. Talk to me with respect. Put respect on my name. Yeah, the friend make off. Gente, the other picture you sent is a young girl. Your auntie is a old woman. So that's the difference. And if you watch the girl, if you watch her tummy is flat. That is why the clothes fit her. Man, your auntie or the email, come 5 blood, they are not forever. Her tummy is big now. Her tummy spoil the clothes. And if you watch it, wait, let me explain to you now. If you watch, the girl is standing like Celine Dion, standing like Beyonce. But your auntie, see, your auntie is standing like Oyamba. Is your auntie Hulk Hogan? See the way she's standing. And if you look at the guest leg, the guest leg is la la la. But your auntie went Mbaji. So is that Mbaji that spoiled the clothes? Your auntie is Mbaji. You get? Your auntie should go and gym. Let her tummy enter inside. Once her tummy enter inside, the clothes will fit her.
You are stupid. You are very, very stupid. I told you that I wanted to give it to a teller in Oscar. What did you tell me? You said you are the best.
Your auntie have yam leg now. The girl you sent to the picture don't have yam leg. Your auntie should stand like a model, not like a wrestler. So that you don't conquer this stuff for me. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. It is that season of love again. The season of rice and stew. Season of jollof rice. Season of chin-chin, meat pie, small chops everywhere. Season greetings from me and my team. See, this season, if you want us to give you season shout out, to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, just contact us. If you want us to wish your boss, to wish your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your husband, your wife, your child, anybody at all, we are here for you. We will do a very nice comedy video to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.